Welcome back to my channel guys, this is Chef Suraj. Today I am going to share with you a recipe of shrimp Senegal soup. A very delicious recipe. Let's start. So before start cooking we need to grab all the ingredients that we need for the dish. And first of all we need to clean the shrimp. As you can see, I am taking the shrimp, I am cutting with the scissor all the legs, extra parts which you don't like to eat in the soup. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. In the third row here you can remove the intestine. So like this it will be clean. Just that one only you need to do. As you can see the long hair like that you cut with the scissor. Just cut everything with the scissor. Take one toothpick. On the third line you have to poke the toothpick and remove. So like this, clean everything and keep it side. Here, and you can see all the seasonal vegetable which you like to add in the soup you can use, like onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, eggplant, long beans, lemongrass, bok choy, kangkong leaf or spinach leaf. Whatever you have you can keep it and use it in the soup. The more vegetable, more healthy dishes, your soup will be more yummy. So here you can see I wash all the leafy vegetable with the running water. Just remove the leaf, keep it in the container, and the stem you don't need to throw. The stem we are going to use further in the soup. Just remove one by one. Kangkong leaf. Kangkong leaf is very healthy and good in the soup. It will give nice crunchiness in the soup, especially when you having the hot soup and you want to chew something. This base stem we will throw, but this upper part we are going to use. This we will cut later one by two, then we can use in the soup. This is bok choy. We need to wash thoroughly in the running water. Just cut 1 by 3. No need to cut too much small, because this leaves after the cooking it will going to be little bit small. Senegal soup ingredients are very simple. If you don't have this much ingredients you can make it simple as it is. Just use the onion, tomato and some local lettuce leaf. That's it. It will work as well. So here you can see the leaves are ready. Everything cut and prepared. Greens are ready. Shrimps is ready. Clean shrimps, onion, tomato, all the vegetable is cut. So we are putting the pot, hot oil, onion saute first. One big onion I am using here. Slice of garlic, slices of ginger. Just saute about a minute. For the Senegal shrimps, we are buying the fresh shrimp in the market. Early morning we are going so that we can get the fresh shrimp. So all the ingredients we combine together except the green leaves. That one we are going to add later. So as you can see all the ingredients I am adding here with the saute little 5 to 6 minutes. So the all shrimps it will be cooked also and the vegetable will be half done also. So once it is half done, just we are going to add around 1.5 liter water. Because it's a soup we need to add like more quantity of water. For the fresh ingredients we are going in the Mina market. In the one place we can get the all fresh vegetable and the fresh seafood, everything is fresh there. Just we need to go early morning to get our fresh vegetables and shrimps or seafood. So we are lucky enough to get the all free fresh item which I want to eat in the soup. So as you can see, like 5 minutes only we have to boil. Salt to taste. Once it start to boil, we adding little bit fish sauce, and this is the tamarind powder or sinigan powder. As you can see, this is I'm using 2 packet shrimp powder. It's around 45 to 50 gram. If you like more sour, you can add more, but this is the perfect combination. Each packet enough for 500 ml. Just mix it well, let it boil until the vegetable will be cooked properly. Just always keep removing the impurities from surface, so it will be your soup will be clear and healthy as well. In some of the recipes, they are using the okra also in the sinigan soup, but personally I don't like okra in the soup, so I skip the okra. Just mix it well. It's almost cooked. So in the last step we are adding the green leaves which we cut before, 1 bunch bok choy and kangkong leaf. Just add it as it is in the soup, and 3 big chili pepper for the whole spiciness. You don't need to cut the chili, otherwise it will be too much spicy. Just keep whole. So when you sip the soup, you won't feel too much spicy in your throat. So this will be perfect. Just cover for the 5 minutes. Let it simmer. Friends, all the soup measurements and the recipe I will keep in the description, so it will be easy for you to understand the recipe. So now our soup is ready. Very delicious. In the winter you must try this soup. Very nice smell with a lot of vegetable. Super healthy, and especially when you bite those vegetables, seasonal vegetable, with the hot soup and some shrimp, seafood. Yummy. Let's plate. Add some vegetable, some shrimp. Just try this soup. Very healthy and delicious. Shrimp soup recipe. Shrimp sinigan soup. Share with your friends. Like and subscribe. And try this recipe this weekend. And tell me how is your recipe done. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Chef Suraj. And let me know which recipe you want to see next, so I will try to make that one. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Chef Suraj. See you in the next recipe.